Hello everyone, this is Open Gyan House, and in this video I will talk about Linux Lite 5.0 setup and its feature. So as we know, Linux Lite 5.0 known as a lightweight operating system, and it is a good alternative of Windows operating system. And later in this video I will discuss about feature of this operating system. So if you want to install Linux Lite in your laptop, so you have to download the ISO. So you can download the ISO from Linux Lite official website. I will share this link in my video description. And the size of this ISO is around 1.5 GB. So once you download this ISO, then you can install using the bootable USB, or if you want to install in VirtualBox. So in this video I will show how you can install this Linux Lite in VirtualBox. For installing Linux Lite in VirtualBox, you have to click on new. So you have to create a new VM. So let me provide name Linux Lite for this new VM. Here I have to select the version. So I will go with Ubuntu 64-bit, and here you can provide the RAM. So I'm providing 1 GB of RAM, and the virtual disk is VDI. And if you want to create a partition size like 20 or 30 GB, so you can use here. And once you click on OK, then you can see the Linux Lite VM is created here. Now you have to go to the setting, and here you have to select the ISO file. So go to the storage, and from here you can choose that ISO file. So let me open the ISO file here. So you can see the Linux Lite ISO is mounted here, and once you're done with this, then you can click on start button. Okay, so installation is started here. So you have to press enter for start Linux Lite installation. So it will check for ISO and start extracting the package. So if you don't want to verify the checksum, so you can press Ctrl C from your keyboard. So once I press the Ctrl C, then it will extract the package and done with the installation of the VM. So it will take like 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, so installation is done here, and once you are done with the installation, then your Linux Lite VM is look like this. So let me open the terminal and let me run some Linux command, so you can check your memory uses. So you can see the total memory is 2 GB and it is using around 966 MB. And if I want to check the partition size of disk, so yeah, you can see the Linux command is working perfectly fine here. And a few more things that I want to discuss, like in network. So you can see it's already connected with my Wi-Fi, so I can easily ping Google. And the network, I don't have to make any changes for network connectivity. And if you want to check your system settings, so you just click, you can also right click, or you can go to your main menu. From here you can also go to or switch to the setting. So these are the setting, and you can also check your firewall status from here and your Bluetooth. And if you want to check what are the software that installed, so you can click on software and update option. So guys, this is it about the installation and using the Linux Lite. And if you want to check a few more feature like why it is very useful, so Linux Lite supported both the motherboard firmware, EUFI and your BIOS. And in 5.0 version it replaced the firewall D. So firewall D is very useful for a security purpose, and it's also support the dual architecture, so you can install two operating system in one laptop. And the recycle bin or trash bin option works same like Windows. And it, as you mentioned, like as I mentioned, like it's use very less resources, so that's why the Linux Lite is very useful. So you can install Linux Lite instead of Windows if you have less resource in your laptop. And for Wi-Fi setting, you can also search for broadcast like driver if there is issue with your Wi-Fi. So this is it about the Linux Lite. So hope guys this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching. Bye.